Our planet currently suffers from many environmental issues, and sadly, the issues which affect us the most are the ones which are swept under the bush. One of the main issues plaguing our planet right now is air pollution. So before I move on with anything, I just want to make one thing clear, and that's the definition of air pollution. Air pollution occurs when harmful or excessive quantities of substances, including gases, particulates, and biological molecules are introduced into Earth's atmosphere. Now, in this definition, air pollution is usually referred to for its negative effects. The two main causes. Carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, is the main pollutant that is warming Earth. Though living things emit carbon dioxide when they breathe, carbon dioxide is widely considered to be a pollutant when associated with cars, planes, power plants, and other human activities that involve the burning of fossil fuels, such as gasoline and natural gas. In the past 150 years, such activities have pumped enough carbon dioxide into the atmosphere to raise its levels higher than they have been for hundreds of thousands of years. The reason this current rise in CO2 levels is concerning is because when CO2 rises, it has many negative effects. They are for the most part unwanted. And the first effect I want to discuss is the greenhouse effect. Carbon dioxide traps radiation at ground level, creating ground level ozone. This atmospheric layer prevents the Earth from cooling at night. One result of this is warming of ocean waters. Now, the oceans absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. However, high water temperatures compromise the ocean's ability to absorb carbon dioxide. Over time, the effects of carbon dioxide are compounded. Another negative effect of carbon dioxide is its impact on human health. Carbon dioxide emissions impact human health by displacing oxygen in the atmosphere. Breathing becomes more difficult as carbon dioxide levels rise. In closed areas, high levels of carbon dioxide can lead to health complaints such as headaches. Carbon dioxide levels may indicate high levels of other harmful air pollutants, such as volatile organic components, which contribute to indoor air pollution. Now, after all that I've said about the negative effects of air pollution, it might sound a little hopeless for the human race. But don't worry. There are measures that we can take to decrease the amount of air pollution going on now and to decrease its harmful effects. Nowadays, governments are taking measures to limit emissions of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases to decrease air pollution. In fact, the Paris Agreement, a voluntary agreement among 118 nations, which took place on November 2016, is one of the biggest efforts being enacted on a global scale to combat air pollution. As a part of the agreement, each country agreed to take measures to combat climate change with the ultimate goal of keeping the post-industrial global temperature rise below 2 degrees Celsius. And the only efficient way of achieving this is by reducing CO2 emissions and sulfur dioxide emissions as well as other harmful air pollutants.